Maybe all bowls are left out. Maybe we... I don't know what we got. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day, great night. Today I just thought I would film me and Logan. We're doing like a whole date, going to a rodeo, doing some water games, parade. Like it's a whole long pretty much day date that we're doing, just hanging out all day. So I just thought I would like, I guess, come along and see everything. So one of the things I'm doing is I'm actually doing like a little picnic. I guess I'm making everything for the picnic that we'll be doing. I'm making all the food right now, and then we'll have it later. So first off, so I'm gonna be doing pulled pork. I get my Instant Pot, and then I get the rack with the rack down, and then you fill about 1 inch up of water. So then you want to get some tin foil. That one's out. Luckily, I have a backup. Tin foil. And you want to get like, depending on how big of pieces you do it, I like to do smaller pieces of the pork roast, and then it cooks quicker. So you'll wrap each piece about 2 to 3 times. So that's your math. However many you need, you can do that. Right now, I'm just getting all this ready to go out. So I'm going to be doing these. I'm going to be making some cookies and doing some potatoes. What else am I doing? So I'm starting a side, but I haven't really decided what that side will be yet. So I need to figure that out. It'll be fun. So we're going to kind of our local city days. They don't do this for the outside of Utah is what I heard. I thought this was totally normal because I grew up on this. Is they have like city days, and it's like the celebration. And I love it because it's really like back the county fairs, kind of just celebrating. There's always a parade. There's rodeos a lot of times. Other big events like that. A bunch of fireworks after. So always something going on in the summer in Utah, some sort of event. So we're going to, it's not really my hometown, it's the hometown next. And we'll be kind of doing some stuff today, but there's not like adult stuff all day long, and so we're gonna just go into the lake and go kayaking and all that too. So it's fun. So with the pork, I have like 3 chunks here, and then you just kind of load it with some salt. I can't remember the amounts. I'm just really like a dumper. So what I would do is just kind of cover it in salt. And then about a teaspoon of liquid smoke. And you can just dump it right on. Oh my gosh, you guys, I take a lot of this footage out of me trying to open this. It's just difficult. You're wanting them out, so you kind of get that, and then what you're doing is you're just kind of massaging the salt into the meat, so you can also just turn it over and then put more salt on. You really want to have it good salting. This kind of pulled pork is more like a Polynesian, but I love doing this for anything. I just feel like it gives it a really good, like smoky, good flavor. So once you're going to have that all mixed in, then I just wrap it into the tin foil, get another piece and flip it over, and wrap that. And then you can just put it into your Instant Pot and cook it, I think, for about 10 minutes. And then you take it out, and if it's not quite cooked, you can always just do another few minutes, so it's not too hard. I've had to do that before. So I say 10 to 20. If you want to do a little more, you can, just to be safe. And then you have your pork. So I'm gonna get this going. I'm gonna start getting ready. So I'm ready in time, and then we're gonna go on our date, babe. Okay, so we have our dishes here. We got some pulled pork, we got some potatoes and some green beans, and we got our drinks. explain this. And we're just gonna eat here and then go kayaking. So, excited, babe?
Oh yeah.
It should be good. And there's overcast, so hopefully it won't be as hot because it's been over 100 all week long. So it's been kind of miserable, but yeah, we're gonna eat and it should be good.
To know my story, but don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am.
Getting our fishing poles all set up so we can fish at the same time as kayaking. Gotta do 2 in 1 if you're gonna have some real fun, you know. So, just about to head out to the lake. If it's not gonna rain, not lightning. There's a lot of overcast and then we hear thunder. So if it rains, it's fine. There's lightning. We might have to stay on the shore, but we're hoping we go out onto the water. So I guess we'll see. Okay, we got a funny little thing. So, we're making a mess over here. So we went and got Logan a new pole yesterday. Tested it out, thought it was great. We got it all set up and ready. And what did we realize, babe?
It's a left-handed reel.
And he's right-handed as well as me. So, I guess that's just what it will be. It'll be great. We'll work with it. Babe, wait, are you sure? I think mine's left-handed.
What side's the handle on? Left or right?
The left?
Oh, never mind.
Maybe all poles are left-handed. Maybe we... I don't know what we got. Well, I guess we'll see if it feels comfortable or what we got, right?
Yep.
No, it was a good laugh.
Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, and I feel like I don't need you. Sun shining and all these good times, we know we had something.
Okay, so the wind was getting kind of bad, so there's a little breeze again, but we went in just to fish on the shore. Yeah, nothing, not even any bites. It's kind of sad, but we're back now on the lake, so hopefully it will be good and we can get some sort of adventure in because there's still kind of a breeze pushing us away. But yeah,
need my fantasy. You give me something that I can't give you here. Tell me what you're thinking. I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story.
Down the road, I told you a car's coming. I stop you. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it. Wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. Wouldn't hesitate about it. Wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Wheels in your hands. I guess we needed a plan. There's a motel now down the road.
on Sunday.
Finally can stand, acting still looking for dry land. Jump on my back, I'll take you home. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. Wouldn't hesitate.
Alright, I forgot to film the end of this video the other day, so I thought I'd get on here and just finish it. So yeah, we just finished up like at the rodeo. We did a bunch of like stuff like fishing. Didn't go spot eating any fish, and the one was back and forth, but we did get some kayaking in later. But yeah, we went to the rodeo, got a few shots, not quite as much as I wanted, but it was still a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun there and just seeing like everything, and it was great. Great date. Just had a fun day together, which was really nice because we were both needing that a lot. So, yep. So yeah, we're just cruising along, getting all the wedding planning done. We're almost there. So yeah. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, push the bell notification button, and I'll see you guys next week. Have a great day, great night. God bless.